Thank you. Good morning and a warm welcome to the distinguished guests and friends from media. We from Germany, part of Sun TV network, which is one of the largest media and entertainment conglomerates in India, and by far the biggest in South, sincerely thank one and all for making it convenient to attend. Thank you all. Gemini TV, the first Telugu entertainment channel, having successfully completed its 25 years of non-stop entertainment, beaming its signals into all the Telugu homes across its footprint, and won the hearts of millions of Telugus with its variety of content in fictions, events, films, and formatted shows, now takes pride in announcing yet another magnanimous show, Evaru Meelo Kotishwaralu, a Telugu version of the international iconic format, Who Wants to Be a Millionaire, telecast successfully in over 120 countries worldwide. This format boasts of itself for having changed the lives of many ordinary, bringing them to the name and fame overnight. To complement the stature and magnitude of the show like Evaru Meelo Kotishwaralu, it is obvious and natural that it necessitates a befitting host to make it larger than life. In context, we are pleased to announce our association with an icon of Tollywood who is aspirational, hardworking, understands the plight of a commoner, has perfect blend of both mass and class alike, and is acclaimed as the most versatile actor by the Telugus. He leads a successful career that he has built with passion and love to the craft. And top it all, he strikes an instant emotional chord with the audience. We are extremely happy to announce the young tiger, NTR Garu, as the Radhasarathi and the host of the show, Evaru Meelo Kotishwaralu. Thank you, Ramarao Garu, for accepting our proposition and being on board. We are sure that with your Taraka Mantram, the show is not only going to be highly successful, but also will make dreams come true for many contestants. Yet another accolade to the show is that the promotional videos of Evaru Meelo Kotishwaralu were directed by none other than Trivikram Garu. Thank you, Trivikram Garu, for obliging and casting your magic of creativity in the promos. Though many people may aspire to come onto the hot seat, due to the stringent selection process as is being done internationally, only the most deserving would get a chance to participate. In view of this, and to make this show participatory for all the viewers, we are happy to announce Play Along, where sitting at home, viewers can also play the game live when the show is being telecast on Gemini TV, and also win exciting prizes. Gemini TV will soon be announcing the registrations, and viewers can participate through SMS and also through Sun Next app, which is the OTT platform of Sun TV network. Finally, I thank one and all for your presence here today. Thank you all.
Thank you so much, sir. Show ki sambandhinchi chala vivaral maaku teliyajesiనందుకు. And now we request Studio Next business head